Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Òrúnmìlàs, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The lines of the hands were born. Yoruba Rezo. Elele ateni ojumo, mokoni adau ni poirere kola oku. Lokunrin agbele lojin bumbun, opi ojo adafun Òrúnmìlà. Ojo inushe awo Ògbè Ìkà wen, ni ki oruto Ògbè Bàgúndá. Kanti owa munuake, iwo obi ada. Abebo adiemeji, ekun eya. Nítorí kí wọ́n naba nuleni birin, tin lo osi tunibo. Àwọn babaláwo luwon ṣiṣẹ́ lempe, kí ọ̀tún wá ní ẹbọ. Ekonu konkole, ṣùgbọ́n onílàtẹ ní ìlọ́po méjì Òrúnmìlà. Olófin, gbogbo ìmàlò ọ̀rànà, Ọlọ́run kalẹ̀ erin àwàrà. Bawos ìràwọ̀, olókun, ọ̀làrẹ̀, òṣùpá, gbogbo ìmàlẹ̀ àìná, èmi, olórí, ọ̀kan, ìpín, ìpọ̀rí, gbogbo ọ̀nà ló fi ọgbọ́. Bàgúndá magun ìdí, èṣù ló dá fún gbogbo ọ̀rúnalẹ̀, èṣù Yorùbá suyere. Ojúmọ́ àwọ̀ àwọ̀rírẹ̀ ọ̀, ojúmọ́ àwọ̀ àwọ̀rírẹ̀ àjílówà. Balabala lọ́wọ́, ojúmọ́ àwọ̀ àwọ̀rírẹ̀.
Patakin story. In the city of Ka, a king, Ògbè, ruled who requested the services of Òrúnmìlà because he was facing many problems. Òrúnmìlà performed osodi, and this Ifa was revealed, which marked accusations and slander, and recommended rogayon, appeasement offering. However, Òrúnmìlà did not perform it because he was in a hurry to return to the land of Ògbè, saying he would perform it upon his return. On his journey, Òrúnmìlà saw a kola plantation and used his knife to cut a bunch. At that moment, the owner arrived and tried to seize him, but Òrúnmìlà escaped, unaware that while storing his knife, he had cut the palm of his left hand. The plantation owner went to the Ògbè and reported what happened, saying he could identify the thief because he had a wound in the palm of his left hand. The Ògbè gathered the entire town and declared that whoever had a wound on the left palm was the thief and would be executed. Òrúnmìlà remembered the osod and quickly performed the Igbo. Through his upon Ifa, divination tray, he summoned the great spirits of the planets and the human body. Each Amode, spiritual force, came and gave a specific power to the Igbo performed by Òrúnmìlà. These entities are Olokun, the sun, Supa, the moon, Koleabe, Mercury, Kaulinin, Jupiter, Awala, Venus, Baweo, Saturn, Irawolokun, Mars, Lare, Uranus, Irawolokun, Neptune, Amy, spirit of life, Olori, spirit of thought, Okan, spirit of vital fluid, Epin, spirit of ancestral destiny. These powers accompanied Esu when he took Òrúnmìlà's Ebo to the Kola field. There, he picked up an Ògbè Bàgúndá, ritual razor, and made 14 marks or cuts on the hands of every inhabitant, including the Ògbè himself. From that moment on, everyone had lines on their palms, and they went to Òrúnmìlà, who was staying as a guest of the king. Òrúnmìlà told them he was the true owner of the kola, and that he had been falsely accused of theft. He was not a thief, but a deity, who came to collect a spiritual debt from the supposed owner of the plantation. For the man was selling the fruits instead of offering them as required. From that day forward, it was declared that all his descendants would carry this mark. The lines on the palms of the hands,